Hey YouTube, it's us again. And I'm going to continue our video on how to use daddycheese, the Minecraft hosting website. So we left off on config files. We were on config files. I was showing you how to use the config files. So server settings, back to this. Hardcore, you can set that to true. Snooper enabled, that's like, I don't know. But spawn on PCs, max build height, texture pack. Basically, if you type in a texture pack that you find online, then if anybody ever comes on the server, it will say, would you like to download this texture pack for the server? And if you hit yes, then you'll download it and you'll use it. If you hit no, then you won't. So you save that. Then you go to operators. These are basically all the ops on your server. One person per line. If you make two, then it won't work. You go down here, save. Banned IPs. This is basically another way of banning players. You just type in there. Every Minecraft player has an IP address. So basically you can just type their IP address to ban them. Ban players, it said ban people. Yeah. But if you have a whitelist on, these are the whitelisted players. You don't really need banned players, because if they are banned, then they can't get on. So yeah, save that too. Now we're done with the config files. Now we're gonna go over to bug get plugins. This is basically for getting plugins super easily. Basically, all you have to do is type in any plugin. It can even be a high-tech plugin like Essentials. Oops, I spelled it wrong. I still spelled it wrong. Okay, there we go. And if I clicked on this and then hit install, or it would stay installed here. No Pwnage, that's just a random plugin. Right here it shows the top plugins, bucket plugins. And then you can search for categories. It still shows the top plugins for that category. Currently installed, you go to your installed plugins that you have so far. You can also just search them. You can search the description, capture the flag, and then if any plugin has that in their description, then basically you just hit install, and you can also go to plugin page, click on that, and it will bring you to the page of how to use this. So yeah, that actually might be a plugin that I want to get, because I've been looking for a CTF plugin. But yeah, we go back to here. Now we can go to FTP file access. Basically what this is this is how to get to like your files. It says also up here. And all you have to do is type in your password to get onto daddycheese. And you go here, crash reports. If you click on that, it'll show you how many times the server has crashed. Lib, I'm going to see what that is. I have no idea what that is. But, look. Okay, so if you ever go hit the back button, then it will bring you back to a different spot. So you always want to hit this one, because then it will bring you back to this screen if you're in one of the folders. This is what your name of the server is called. You can access some stuff from there. The nether of your server, the end of your server, plugins. If you click on this, it shows you your plugins. And also you can delete stuff from here, like stuff from the config files. Like here's deleting plugins. But down here, you can delete like their the config files for them. So yeah. Oh shoot, I did the back button. Gotta remember to do that. Okay. World, that's like showing you what the world's like. Banned IPs, banned players, this is another place to ban players and IPs. Ops, another place to make ops, and the whitelist, another place to make whitelist. These are all other things. Don't delete any of them because they're pretty important. Now we go to backup. Backup is like, so if like, you usually shouldn't want to use it, you don't really need it, but it's kind of like if your server shuts down, this will be like the backup. I don't know, it's weird, but you don't really need that. Advanced, there's the advanced stuff commands. You can make commands, but you need to basically all it will do is, for this one, unless you want to like, unless you are gonna make like a command that's like just saying something to you, like if you type like, let's say /boom, then it would say TNT or something, or whatever you made it in the response. And this is what you have to type in the chat, this is what it's called. And run, you would type server. Go back. Advanced. Scheduled tasks, that's like tasks that are scheduled to happen on the server. If you hit news task, you run it on the server. Arguments, that's like, I don't know, but this is the name of it. This is when it's going to be made, when it's going to happen. So if I set it to this default one, at 6:18 on October 9th, 2012, it would say whatever I call it, or whatever. Back. Advanced. Users, these are basically the people that own the server, and like, basically who can chat right here. Who can chat, who can do the console, kind of who can do this whole thing. Advanced. This thing doesn't really matter. It's for creating databases, but that's kind of pointless. Oh yeah, one more thing. Also, if you ever want to change the map on your server, then all you have to do is stop the server, type in a new world name right here, and then just and then it will become a new server basically, because then you will restart it and start it, and it will turn on. You will go into the server, you will have no stuff, nothing will be there, and it will be a new map. Okay, I think that's it. Please like this video if you found it useful, and please comment on anything. Okay, bye.